Sa físeán seo bimidig fecinn ar Comhréir Dhíreach nó direct proportion as béarla. Tá gá cinál cadribh comhréireach, Comhréir Dhíreach agus Comhréir Inverteach. There are two types of proportional relationship, direct proportion and inverse proportion. Feiceann míad ar sampla inis de Comhréir Dhíreach. Má chosníonn úl amháin 8 cent, cosníonn 2 úl €1 agus 60 cent, agus cosníonn 3 úl €2 agus 10 cent. If one apple costs 80 cent, 2 cost 160 and 3 cost 240. Nuair a bhéadíonn líon na núl, méadíonn an costas sa chomhas céine. When the number of apples increases, the cost increases in the same ratio. So for every 1 apple, the cost increases by 80 cent. Dermid go bhfuil líon na núl agus an costas I Comhréir Dhíreach le chéile. The number of apples and the cost are directly proportional to one another. So to get the cost of 10 apples, we could multiply the cost of 1 apple by 10. Feiceann míad inis ar ceist samplach. Má dhéanann cór 120 km ar 9 lítre petrol, feadh amach, cá ád a rockaigh sí ar 50 lítre, agus 100 lítre a hastóigh I gcóir 208 km. If a car travels 120 kilometers on 9 litres of petrol, find out how far she'll travel on 15 litres and how many litres will be needed for 280 kilometers. So céad fort an ceist tá méid géirigh fada all, we're trying to get distance. So an chéad rud a dhéanamh mé ná tá mé chun an tólas a thugtar sa ceist a ascríomh le fad ag deireadh an abart. I'm going to rewrite this information in the question so that the distance is at the end of the sentence. Mar seo, 9 lítre I gcóir 120 km, 9 litres for 120 kilometers. And what I'm trying to find out is how far 15 litres will get me. Now the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to find out how far the car will travel on 1 litre of petrol first. If the car travels 120 kilometers on 9 litres, on 1 litre it'll travel 120 divided by 9. Céad sa fiche roinnt ar an é sin 30.3 km. So taistilóigh an cór 30.3 km ar 1 litre. So ar 50 litre, taistilóigh an cór 30.3 méideatha fá 50 km. Agus tá sé sin cothrom le 200 km, that's equals to 200 kilometers. So on 15 litres of petrol, the car travels 200 kilometers. Inis sa dara fort an ceist tá litre all ar gin. In the second part of the question, we're looking for litres. So again, I'm going to rewrite the information in the question so that the thing we're looking for, litres, is at the end of the sentence. Taistilóigh an cór 120 km le 9 litre petrol. And what I'm trying to find out is how many litres will be needed for 280 kilometers. The way I'm going to do that is first I'll find out how many litres are needed for 1 kilometre. If we need 9 litres for 120 kilometers, we'll need 9 litres divided by 120 for 1 kilometre. Úsá dár bhain an seo, use your calculator here. Né rointe ar 120 sin 0.975 litre. So úsáideann an cór 0.975 litre chun kilometre amháin a thastal. Chun 208 km a thastal, beidh 0.975 méideatha fá 208 litre ag tastal. To find out how many litres of petrol are needed for 280 kilometers, multiply the amount needed for 1 kilometre by 280. 0.975 méideatha fá 208 tá sé sin cothrom le 21 litre. So to travel 280 kilometers, the car needs 21 litres of petrol. Má tá aon ceist agat faoi aon rud sa físeán, scríobh sí sé agus cuireadh mé sa céad rang eile. Slán go fóill.